Now, the simple answer to why conditionals confuse us is that second conditional structure practically does not exist in Hindi. And let's get to the bottom of this right away. All right, so just translate this sentence for me, everybody. अगर मैं अमीर होता तो अभी ये घर खरीद लेता. Here are your options. Sentence A, if I were rich, I would have bought this house right away. Option B, if I would have been rich, I would have bought this house right away. Option C, if I were rich, I would buy this house right away. And option D, if I had been rich, I would have bought this house right away. Confusing, isn't it? That's because all have past tense which agrees with the hota and khareed leta in Hindi. Anywho, the correct answer is C, if I were rich, I would buy this house right away. Why that is and why the other three don't work, here we go. Option A is incorrect because it mixes two different time frames. If I were rich is a present time imagination, but I would have bought this house refers to a past action. But in the Hindi sentence, we have abhi khareed leta, the person wants to buy the house in the present. Option B is incorrect because we never use would have in the if clause of a conditional. If I would have been rich is a very common mistake amongst us Hindi speakers because of the past tense in the Hindi sentence. A hypothetical or an unreal present situation like this needs if I were. Finally, option D is incorrect because the wish in the sentence to be rich is in the present, whereas sentence D uses had and would have, which usually point to the past for regret or missed opportunities. So, your correct answer is C, if I were rich, I would buy this house right away. If I were is present time imagination and I would buy this house right away is present action too. This is the second conditional and it says मान लो ऐसा होता पर ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. And here's the structure for you. If plus the past simple followed by would and then you have the base verb. Now hold on to that thought. Here's another sentence for you to translate. अगर मैं पार्टी में होता मैं बहुत मज़े करता. Your options. Sentence A, if I were at the party I would have enjoyed a lot. B, if I would have been at the party, I would have enjoyed a lot. C, if I were at the party, I would enjoy a lot. And D, if I had been at the party, I would have enjoyed a lot. Let's get to the right answer. Option A is incorrect because it mixes a present condition with the past result. If I were at the party talks about being there right now, present time imagination, but the party was yesterday. So this clause messes up the tense. Then, option B is incorrect because, as discussed earlier, would have cannot be used in the if clause of a conditional, right? Then, option C is incorrect because it describes a present time imagination, not a past event. If I were at the party, I would enjoy a lot. The sentence uses would. Would here belongs to second conditional logic, which talks about unreal present or future. But the party was in the past, necessitating would have. That leaves us with the third conditional as the right answer. That's option D. If I had been at the party, I would have enjoyed a lot. The third conditional says, काश ऐसा किया होता या हुआ होता पर अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. And that perfectly checks out because in our sentence, the speaker can't go back in time to the party. And even tense-wise, this works out perfectly because had been is actually looking into the past and says, अगर पिछले कल वहाँ होता. Then you have would have in the second clause, which is also a past expression, which perfectly works for a party that was yesterday in the past, right? Now, here's a final one for you. Please translate, अगर मैंने पढ़ लिया होता तो आज मैं डॉक्टर होता. Now, this time around, the answer is a blend of the first two. If I had studied, I would be a doctor today. And this, dear friends, is the mixed conditional which works on the precept गलती तब हुई थी और उसका असर या अफसोस आज भी है. So for the galati which was in the past, we use if I had studied, borrowing had from the third conditional because had maintains the sentence in the past, right? And since the regret is in the present, we use would be a doctor today, borrowing would from the second conditional because it keeps things current as it shows a present unreal result. So you use mixed conditionals when the cause is in the past and the result is still true in the present, whether or not there is regret. So let's put the answers together, shall we? The first one, अगर मैं अमीर होता तो अभी ये घर खरीद लेता, and the answer was, if I were rich, I would buy this house right away. Then second, अगर मैं पार्टी में होता मैं बहुत मज़े करता. If I had been at the party, I would have enjoyed a lot, right? Then we had, अगर मैंने पढ़ लिया होता तो आज मैं डॉक्टर होता. If I had studied, I would be a doctor today. Now, here's the absolute interesting bit. All three times, the Hindi sentences use the same structure and the same tense. That's the past tense. In the first one, we had agar hota, khareed leta. Then agar hota, maze karta. And then we had agar hota, doctor hota. Yet English generated three different outputs. First sentence used were and would in the two clauses respectively. But then the second sentence used had been and would have. Totally different. And then the mixed conditional simply mixed it up. Now, to prove that Hindi doesn't make use of the second conditional structure as it's used in English, consider this sentence once again. If I were rich, I would buy this house right away. Once again, this is the second conditional. We've discussed this. The one for the hypotheticals, the one that suggests काश ऐसा होता पर असल में हो नहीं सकता. अब इस सेकंड कंडीशनल का लिटरल ट्रांसलेशन हिंदी में करते हैं और आप पाएंगे कि सेंटेंस कुछ बन सा ही नहीं रहा. लेट्स गो. फॉर अ हिंदी माइंड, if I were rich would turn to अगर मैं अमीर होता, which works out fine because were would hint at होता to a Hindi speaker naturally, right? However, when it comes to I would buy this house right away, would और right away एक हिंदी माइंड को नेचुरली प्रेजेंट में ले आते हैं. सो द हिंदी स्पीकर एंड्स अप विद तो मैं ये घर अभी खरीद लूँ इंस्टेड ऑफ लेता. So, what's the Hindi sentence we got by translating a second conditional into Hindi? अगर मैं अमीर होता तो मैं ये घर अभी खरीद लूँ. I'm sure you'd agree that we don't speak like that in Hindi. It just hits the ear. And voila, the second conditional does not exist in Hindi. Just a quick note, please remember that would in conditionals points to a hypothetical present or future. Would is the past of will when you're speaking from a past point of view. In conditionals, however, would doesn't mean past, it means unreal. But despite all that detail, it's very natural to end up confused. All the three Hindi sentences were very similar, yet their outcomes were different in English. So how is a Hindi speaker or any non-native speaker to know? Some simple guidelines. The first one, if it's not possible in the present and it's visual or imaginary thinking, use the second conditional. Second, if you're talking about a past situation that's over and can't be changed now, usually with regret or hindsight, use the third conditional. And if the mistake or choice was in the past, but its effect is still true today, use the mixed conditional. Now, I know this may feel a bit overwhelming, which is why I'm about to speak out 10 sets of 3 sentences, giving you 30 sentences overall to fit this concept for good in your mind. You will also find these in the pinned comments. So let's begin. The first set, अगर मैं पक्षी होता तो आसमानों में उड़ता. Now this is hypothetical, just can't happen in the moment, so use the second conditional. Right. If I were a bird, I would fly through the skies. Right. On the other hand, अगर मैंने साइंस लिया होता तो उस वक्त मैं पायलट बन सकता था. Now that's someone's regret or a missed opportunity in the past. So third conditional. If I had taken science, I could have become a pilot then. Then, अगर मैंने साइंस ली होती तो मैं आज पायलट होता. The regret is in the past, but the effect is still true today. Use the mixed conditional. If I had taken science, I would be a pilot today. Then let's go to the second set. The sentence, अगर मैं औरत होता तो मैं भी जन्म देता. Now, of course, hypothetical and unreal for a male, so use the second conditional. If I were a woman, I would give birth to. On the other hand, अगर मैंने हालात ख़राब होने से पहले कंसीव कर लिया होता तो मैं माँ बन चुकी होती. Now that's a female expressing regret about the past. Use the third conditional. That's a missed opportunity. If I had conceived before my body gave up on me, I would have become a mother. Then you have, अगर मैंने हालात ख़राब होने से पहले कंसीव कर लिया होता तो मैं आज एक माँ होती. The regret is in the past, but the result matters in the present. Use the mixed conditional. If I had conceived before my body gave up on me, I would be a mother today. Then the third set. अगर मुझे सोने की ज़रूरत ही ना होती तो मैं कितना productive होता? Now this is hypothetical because that's just not possible for humans. Go for the second conditional. If I had no need for sleep, I would be so productive. Or how productive would I be? On the other hand, अगर मैं आज सोया ना रहता तो मेरा दिन काफ़ी प्रोडक्टिव हो जाता. This is regret about a finished past. So, third conditional. If I hadn't slept through the day, my day would have turned out productive. Then, अगर मैं आज सोया ना रहता तो मैं अभी ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिव होता. The action was in the past, but the consequence is visible now. Use the mixed conditional. If I hadn't slept through the day, I would be more productive now. Fourth set. अगर मैं अमीर होता तो अपना स्टार्टअप खोलता. This is hypothetical, not true in the present. Use the second conditional. If I were rich, I would start my own startup. On the other hand, अगर मैंने पैसे जमा किए होते तो उस वक्त मैं अपना स्टार्टअप शुरू कर देता. That's a missed opportunity in the past. Use the third conditional. If I had saved money, I would have started my startup back then. Then, अगर मैंने पैसे जमा किए होते तो आज मेरा अपना स्टार्टअप होता. The decision was in the past, but the regret of the situation is still true today. Use the mixed conditional. If I had saved money, I would have my own startup today. Fifth set. अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो ये ऑफर रिजेक्ट कर देता. Purely hypothetical. Use the second conditional. If I were in your place, I would reject this offer. On the other hand, अगर मैं उस वक्त ये ऑफर रिजेक्ट कर देता तो शायद मैं ज़्यादा खुश रहता. Looking back with regret, so third conditional. If I had rejected this offer then, I might have been happier. Then the C set. अगर मैं उस वक्त ये ऑफर रिजेक्ट कर देता तो मैं आज ज़्यादा खुश होता. The regret is about the past, but the emotional state exists now. Use the mixed conditional. If I had rejected that offer then, I would be happier today. Then the sixth set. अगर मैं समय को रोक सकता तो सब कुछ ठीक कर देता. Impossible and imaginary. If I could stop time, I would fix everything. On the other hand, अगर मैं उस वक्त थोड़ा रुक गया होता तो चीज़ें उसी वक्त संभल जाती. Regret that ends in the past. So, third conditional. If I had paused for a moment then, things would have settled back then. And then there's no present day effect or result here, so the mixed conditional doesn't apply. We come to the seventh set. अगर मैं गलतियां ही ना करता तो जिंदगी कितनी आसान होती. Unreal and ideal, we go with the second conditional. If I never made mistakes, life would be so easy. On the other hand, अगर मैंने उस दिन वो गलती ना की होती तो बात वहीं ख़त्म हो जाती. Clear past regret. The third conditional is ideal. If I hadn't made that mistake that day, it would have ended there. But अगर मैंने उस दिन वो गलती ना की होती तो आज मेरी ज़िंदगी काफ़ी अलग होती. The mistake happened then, but its impact is still shaping life today. Use the mixed conditional. If I hadn't made that mistake that day, my life would be very different today. And the eighth one. अगर मैं लोगों के इरादे जान सकता तो कभी धोखा ना खाता. Imaginary ability. So you have, if I could read people's intentions, I would never be cheated. On the other hand, अगर मैं उसके इरादों को समझ गया होता तो मैं उस वक्त धोखा ना खाता. Missed insight in the past. So the third conditional. If I had understood his intentions, I wouldn't have been cheated then. Then you have, अगर मैं उसके इरादों को समझ गया होता तो आज मैं लोगों पर ज़्यादा भरोसा करता. The past experience still affects present behavior. Use the mixed conditional. If I had understood his intentions, I would trust people more today. Ninth set. अगर मैं कभी थकता ही ना होता तो मैं non-stop काम करता. Physically impossible. So second conditional. If I never got tired, I would work non-stop. On the other hand, अगर मैंने कल थोड़ा आराम कर लिया होता तो काम कल ज़्यादा अच्छा हो जाता. Past regrets. So third conditional. If I had rested a little yesterday, yesterday's work would have gone better. And then, अगर मैंने कल थोड़ा काम कर लिया होता तो आज मैं ज़्यादा अच्छा काम कर रहा होता. Yesterday's choice is affecting today's performance. Use the mixed conditional. If I had rested a little yesterday, I would be working better today. Finally, the 10th set. अगर मैं डरता ना होता तो मैं अपनी बात कह देता. Hypothetical personality change, so we use the second conditional. If I weren't afraid, I would speak my mind. On the other hand, अगर मैंने उस वक्त अपनी बात कह दी होती तो बात वहीं ख़त्म हो जाती. Clear regret about the past. So third conditional. If I had spoken my mind then, it would have ended there. But अगर मैंने उस वक्त अपनी बात कह दी होती तो आज मुझे पछताना ना पड़ता. The regret began in the past, but it still felt today. Use the mixed conditional. If I had spoken my mind then, I wouldn't regret it today. And that's that. Hopefully that helps everybody. Cheers and thanks for watching.